What's up YouTube, Ricky Rebo. So today I'm going to show you how to repair your micro desert truck when you break these plastic tie rods here. As you can see, I broke them last time I was driving it. So what we're going to be using is a Dremel, a pair of cutters, and some zip ties. Use whatever color zip tie you want, anything will work. I'm going to be using black just so it matches the truck. Okay. Cut the end off your zip tie. Grab your tie rod. Measure it up against the tie rod. Get your length down. And cut it. Go. So here we go. I've already got one made. Working on the second one. Line them up. Match your holes. Drill them out. Flip it around, do the same thing on the other side. You want to get them as close as possible because there's no adjustment on these tie rods. So if your toe's off, you'll probably have to make a new tie rod. Just make it a little longer, make it a little shorter, whatever you got to do. Now. Clean off any excess plastic. There you go. Check your lengths. Trim your corners, because if you don't trim your corners, hit the wheel. There you go. Put them on your car. Check your toe. Make sure everything's good. Looks nice and works well. See? Ooh. Looks a lot nicer than those clear plastic ones, huh? So there you go, YouTube. Thanks for watching.